Final hearing on defamation case against Rup Singh Tehron was made at Karbi Traditional Court. J.I. Katara's family come into withdrawal the case with a compromise mode. With the same reporting interpretation a journey, District Press Club of Karbi Anglong observed National Press Day at Difu Farmer Growth Center here on Saturday. And aiming to create an awareness in masses about armor falcons, Assamese Minister Piyush Hazarika on Friday kicked off the 3-day Falcon Festival at golf course at Umrangso. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Cut News. You are watching the mainstream at 6. I'm Sarim Tiso. Now the news in details. Final hearing on defamation case against Rup Singh Tehron was made at Karbi Traditional Village Court at Ronghang Rongbong Rongharak at Hamren here on Friday. Meanwhile, defamatory allegations were made by Rup Singh Tehron against APHLC President J.I. Katara's family in Gandhi Sankalp Yatra last month. Now the traditional court imposed rupees 50,000 fine to both Rup Singh Tehron and J.I. Katara's family over the matter.
Kangsai Kabiri chotum kangsai ta ning sam nam de ing ding sam nam de det sita la puson ning gereng no do bom tong lok sita towar nam nanene hithi borwa long che tong sita chingki thek the chelang et at la puson nge chok che la pot che pang sam jin si ke me pot adai kali bol sita compromise porque la que tu me hem khwa khai si ka che krong ro kang sam jin ya phan si kai ke ta ning hang la ma si.
Furthermore, Katara's family refused to pay the fine because judgment made by the court was inappropriate. Later, J.I. Katara's family come to withdraw the case with a compromise mode with the accused Rup Singh Tehron.
Alam tikar ta alam si ne chota pasi tolong le robo masih itu ansai si kita dalam masih itu misalnya kalau masih itu arona tinggal itu adilin pensi itu benar adilin pensi selesai masih itu anak roman kisi selesai.
With the same reporting interpretation a journey, District Press Club of Karbi Anglong observed National Press Day at Difu Farmer Growth Center here on Saturday. The event was started with unfurling a flag by the President of District Press Club of Karbi Anglong, Kiri Ronghang. A meeting was also held around 10:30 in the morning. Executive member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council in charge for Information and Public Relations, Rup Singh Tehron, attended the event as the chief guest at the event.
আজি লোকে আমার প্রায় 53 সাইজ হয়ে গেল ন্যাশনাল প্রেস দিবস হিসাবে ইয়াত আমি বহুত আমি বিশেষকৈ কাৰ্বি আংলং সমাজৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ প্ৰচাৰ বিভাগৰ আমি কৰিবলগীয়া বহুত বাকী আছে আৰু কৰিবলগীয়া বহুত হেৰি থাকে আমি দায়িত্ব আছে কাৰণ কি মুতনি কৈছে যে আমাৰ কাৰ্বি সমাজত বেছিকেলি কাৰ্বি আংলং কাৰ্বি সমাজত মানে কিছু মানে পিছ পৰাৰ কাৰণে প্ৰায় তথ্যবিলাকতে আমি পোৱা নাযায় বা পোৱা নাই.
The meeting was also attended by Deputy Commissioner of Karbi Anglong Mukul Kumar Saikia as guest of honor.
No, এটা TRP যুগ গতিকে TRP কাৰণে বহুত কিবা কিবি আজিকালি কৈ দিয়ে but there should be some limitation, some reservations. এটা নিউজ just এটা হেডলাইনত that this এটা হল সেই হেডলাইনটো পঢ়িয়ে যে নিউজ ৰিডাৰ যিজনে আমি এখন বাতৰি কাগজ পঢ়িলে ওপৰৰ এতিয়া খুব কম সংখ্যক এনেকৈ ব্যক্তি আছে যিয়ে নেকি প্ৰতিটি নিউজৰ প্ৰতিটো হাৰি এখন নিউজ পেপাৰ পঢ়ে কিছুমান বহুতে হেডলাইনটো পঢ়ি জাষ্ট এখন থৈ দিয়ে কাৰণ হেডলাইনটো পঢ়িলে গম পাই যায় যে তাৰ ভিতৰত কি মছলা আছে
Karbi Language Board Chairman under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and President of Journalist Associations for Assam Longsing Teron and Gidfit Board Chairman Joni Timung, Senior Journalist Nogen Bora and many journalists from across the states were attended the meeting.
আমাৰ ভাই ভনী সকলে আমাৰ বন্ধুসকলে how dare you
That's the wrap of this edition at the mainstream at 6, but lots more coming up on the other side. Do stay with us.
Start here, right anywhere. Isan Motors authorized dealer of Royal Enfield, Rongkhelan near Don Bosco School, Dipu, 782460 Assam. Easy finance available here. For more information, contact 700-280-5352 and 8812-805591, or you can mail isanmotorsk@gmail.com. Kanj Shopping Mall is a gulf of Assam Enterprise and the Hill Areas Department. A glorious 1 year now.
Here's everything you need: groceries and household supplies, cosmetics, personal care and skincare essentials, appliances and electronics, stationery, men's and women's clothing along with tribal clothing. Also a huge Durga Puja offer on Swati brand, an offer you cannot refuse. Shopping Mall, Difu Manja Road, Manja Industrial Complex, 782461, Manja, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Welcome back to the mainstream at 6. Aiming to create an awareness in masses about Amur Falcon, the longest traveling migratory bird that roots in large fog during the last week of October and mid of November every year. Assamese Minister Piyush Hajarika on Friday kicked off the 3-day-long Falcon Festival at Golfield here at Ubrangso. That's a report. In order to create awareness in masses about Amur falcons, the longest traveling migratory birds that roost in large fog during the last week of October and mids of November every year. Earlier, due to lack of awareness, these migratory birds were killed for sports, fun and meat. After organizing awareness campaign to provide safe passage for the migratory birds by the Forest Department, NGOs and social activists, the killing has stopped. On the day, chief guests inaugurated ethnic stalls where different communities living in the district displayed their traditional attires and ethnic cousins. The festival also displayed huts or houses of different tribes living in the Mahazao.
On behalf of them,
Bureau Report, Cut News. That's the wrap of this edition at the mainstream at 6, but lots more coming up on the other side. Do stay with us.